Hi, little sunshines. Welcome to Poppy's Cookie Shop. Poppy makes some of the best, most delicious chocolate chip cookies in town. But she has a problem. Her cookie jar is empty. I wonder what Poppy will do. Hi, friends. My name is Poppy. Welcome to my cookie shop. My cookie jar is empty and I need to make some cookies fast. Will you help me? You will? Great. Thank you so much. Here's some things we need before we start. An apron to help keep our clothes clean. A bowl to put all of the cookie ingredients in. Oven mitts to help protect our hands. And a spoon to stir everything together. We also need a recipe. A recipe is a list of ingredients and instructions to help make something to eat. Here's what we need for my famous chocolate chip cookies: butter, sugar, flour. Did you know something about flour? It is made of wheat that is ground into a fine powder like this. It looks like fairy dust. We also need eggs. And I'm sure you already know that eggs come from hens that lay them. Do you know what a hen says? That's right. Cluck, 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 cluck. And last but not least, we also need the most important ingredient of all, chocolate chips. Chocolate chips are my favorite part of the cookie. What's yours? Now we're ready to put everything into the bowl. First, we'll start with the butter, then the flour, then the sugar, then the eggs, and of course the chocolate chips. Now we can mix everything into a bowl until it looks like this. When the dough is ready, we scoop it out and roll it into tiny little balls. And then we put it onto our cookie sheet. I wonder how many cookies we can fit on our cookie sheet. Will you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 balls of cookie dough. Did you know that there's another word for 12 of something? Do you know what it is? 12 of something is also called 1 dozen. You can get a dozen of lots of different things, like a box of a dozen donuts, or a carton of a dozen eggs. Yes, 1 dozen is another word for 12. When our cookies are ready, we can put them into the oven to bake. Remember, never touch an oven without an adult's help. It is very, very hot. When our cookies are done baking, we have to let them cool down. This is the hardest part. It is so hard to wait. Now we can put all of our cookies in the cookie jar. I wonder how many will fit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 cookies in the cookie jar. It looks like we have one more left over. What should we do? Eat it, of course. Yum. Thanks so much for helping bake cookies with me today. Now I have a surprise for you. A big box of cookies. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved the video, please don't forget to like it. And subscribe for more videos. See you next time, little sunshines.